Hello everyone, welcome back in Python tutorial for beginner series. In this video tutorial, we will discuss about built-in modules and these built-in modules which contains extra functions. We can use these functions whenever you include modules. Okay, now I want to do simple mathematical calculation like I want to calculate 2 to the power 3. So for that I'll just write 2 asterisk 3 and press enter. It will give me output 8. Right, but there is another way of doing the same thing, and that is by using a built-in function, POW function, POW function, which is available in math module in Python. So to call this function, first we need to include this math built-in module. So to include a module, we need to import this module first. So for that, just write import. This is the keyword to include the module, and then name of the module. In my case, I want to include math module. Okay, now just press enter. And when we press enter, we have included this math module, which is inbuilt module in Java. Now, next step is we have to use function which is inside this math module. So for that, we need to just write module name, which is math, and then dot, and then we can use all of them. You can see there are different functions which we can use within this math module. In my case, I want to calculate to the power 3. So for that, I am going to use this POW function, which is available in math module. Just select this, okay, and give the value. In my case, I want to calculate 2 to the power 3. So I'll give 2, 3 and press enter. It will give me the output 8. Okay, so in this way, we can use built-in modules. I hope you understand this concept. I hope you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.